Experiencing no sound, low, or high volume on your Spectrum cable box? Here's a fast troubleshooting guide. First, check the basics. Ensure your TV and cable box aren't muted and that the volume is appropriately adjusted on both devices. Verify all cable connections like HDMI or optical are secure. A common issue is HDMI handshake failure, so try unplugging and replugging the HDMI cable. Reboot your Spectrum box by unplugging it for 30 seconds. If using HDMI, ensure your TV audio settings are set to PCM or Dolby Digital. Use the Spectrum app for remote support and AI-driven diagnostics. If issues persist after these steps, consider whether your box recently received a firmware update, as glitches can cause volume irregularities. These steps resolve most common sound problems quickly. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, delve deeper. Access your Spectrum box's settings through Settings, System Updates to check for and install any pending firmware updates. Outdated firmware is a common culprit for volume issues. Use the remote's A button to access built-in test tones. This helps isolate if the audio problem originates from the box itself. Switching from HDMI to an optical audio cable can sometimes resolve low-volume issues, especially with older TVs. Understand that codec mismatches, like Dolby Atmos or DTS-X during HD 4K playback, can cause inconsistencies. Ensure your TV and box support the same audio formats. If power surges are frequent in your area, use surge protectors to prevent damage to your box's audio components. Note that issues often trend towards software-related problems. Keep your box's firmware updated and monitor for new patches. If you've tried everything, consider contacting Spectrum Support. Their team can further diagnose and help fix the problem.